How's it going, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to walk you through and show you how to link your RM Fantasy cash. For 2024, the RM Fantasy season is bigger and better than ever. Not only do we give away over $100,000 in prizes, including amazing grand and weekly prizes, it's free to play, and new for this year is the addition of RM Fantasy Cash. Now, as you earn points for your picks during the year, you're also going to earn RM Fantasy Cash that you can spend on the Rocky Mountain ATVMC.com website. So today I'm going to walk you through and show you how to link that account so you can get to spending your cash. And remember, you only have to link your account one time. Once on the Fantasy website and logged into your account, click the green box RM Cash Balance. This box shows your total RM cash available for you to spend. The Fantasy Cash you earn for each round will be issued to your Rocky Mountain ATV MC account within 72 hours after each round concludes. But don't forget that Fantasy Cash given for each round will expire 30 days after it's been issued. Once you've clicked the RM Cash Balance, copy the code given and then click Go to RM ATV MC login page. If you don't already have a Rocky Mountain account at this point, you will be prompted to create one. Once you've logged into your existing RM ATV MC account or created one, you'll then need to click on RM Cash / Race Gas Cash. Next, you'll need to click the red box that says Link RM Fantasy Account. Then paste the code you copied earlier. Next, you need to enter your fantasy email and password and hit Link Account. Once you've done that, your Fantasy Cash is linked to your RM retail account and you're ready to spend your RM Fantasy Cash. Your RM Cash can be applied when checking out. So thank you so much for playing RM Fantasy for the 2024 season. We hope you join us live on our YouTube channel. And as always, we wish you the best of luck, and we'll see you at the races.